we're here back at South Sea Cars and Coffee, and I've heard there are a crazy car here, so let's go see what it is. It looks like their special car is the McLaren Elva. I've never seen one before. I've always wanted to. The McLaren Elva is the next generation in the Ultimate series of a McLaren, which includes like the McLaren F1, the Senna, and the P1, and all those other like hypercar McLarens. It has 841 horsepower. It's McLaren's lightest car that they've made yet. And what's very unique about this car is that you probably noticed that it doesn't have a windshield. So the McLaren Elva has this really cool deflector. It's this little black bar in the front, that little vent right there. When you're driving fast, it like lifts up, creating like a bubble around you. I really love this car. When I first saw it, like in like pictures and stuff, I was like, it's not the best looking McLaren ever. But now that I'm seeing it in person, I'm like, this actually looks pretty cool. I've heard some people asking like if they can get it with like the window, and I was like, if you want the window, just get the 720S Spider. They actually drove the Elva here. So you know me, I really like to take long shots of crazy cars, so we're gonna try to catch it. We see the Elva, we're ready to go. Let's take some rolling shots.